In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change account type in QuickBooks Online. Before we start, a quick note on what an account type is and why it matters. In QuickBooks Online, every account in your chart of accounts is assigned an account type like assets, liabilities, income, or expenses. That choice determines where the account shows up on your financial statements and how your reports summarize activity. If a type is incorrect, your numbers can look off, so it's important to set it right. First, open QuickBooks Online and sign in. Once you're in, navigate to your chart of accounts. This is the central list of all the accounts you use to track money coming in and going out. If you don't immediately see it, look for the accounting or bookkeeping section and then open Chart of Accounts. Give the page a moment to load, especially if you have a long list. Next, locate the account you want to adjust. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find it faster by name or number. When you found the account, look to the right for the Action menu. Click the drop-down and select Edit. This opens the account's details so you can make changes without affecting the actual transactions already posted. In the Edit window, find the field labeled Account Type. Click the drop-down and review the available categories. Choose the type that best reflects how this account should behave on your financial statements. Take your time here. For example, bank and credit card accounts typically fall under assets or liabilities, while sales go to income and operating costs go to expenses. If you're unsure, think about where you want this account to appear, on the balance sheet or on the profit and loss report. Picking the right type ensures totals roll up correctly in your reports. While you're here, double-check the name and description so everything is consistent and clear for your team. If your company uses account numbers, make sure the number aligns with your numbering scheme. Before you finish, consider the impact of changing an account that already has transactions. Reports may shift, and comparisons to prior periods could look different. If the account feeds into other tools or bank connections, verify that nothing else needs updating. When you're confident in your selection, complete the edit as you normally would and your change will be applied. That's it. You've updated the account type in QuickBooks Online. Afterward, run a quick balance sheet or profit and loss to confirm the account now appears where you expect. If you're ever uncertain, it's a good idea to check with your accountant to make sure your financials stay accurate.